Hey friends, come along with me as I recreate this handwritten letter for my funeral Etsy shop, and that Etsy shop is Funeral by Design. So I thought I wanted to add something more personal and unique to my shop. I am someone who loves handwritten letters, surprise handwritten notes in the mail, finding handwritten recipe cards, or even when I stroll through an antique shop and I find old postcards, and it just makes me wonder who it was and who it was sent to and the happiness that it brought to them. So I am taking this handwritten note, I'm turning it into a digital replica, and that way whoever wants to recreate a handwritten note that might be fragile can do so and then reprint it however they want to on a keepsake memory or on paper to frame. I hope you like it. Tag your handwriting friends.